If you just updated your Mac to macOS Sequoia, you must have good Apple Intelligence and Siri, considering that your Mac is compatible with Apple Intelligence. So once you update your Mac to macOS Sequoia, when you go to system settings, you will notice that there is a new menu in the left menu items here, which is Apple Intelligence and Siri. So if you click on it, you will notice that Apple Intelligence is not available. So if you also updated your Mac to macOS Sequoia and you are getting this error message that Apple Intelligence is not available, then this video is for you, because in this video you will learn how to fix Apple Intelligence is not available on Mac and turn on Apple Intelligence and Siri on your Mac. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to fix Apple Intelligence is not available on Mac. If you see here, you will notice that it is clearly written that Apple Intelligence is not available when Mac is set to English India, and that's because Apple Intelligence and Siri is currently in beta and is only available in certain countries, languages and region. So Apple Intelligence is currently not available in my country, language and region. So in order to access Apple Intelligence on my Mac, I'll have to change my language and region on this Mac. For that, first of all, let's turn on Siri. We will toggle it on, and after that we will click enable to confirm. And once that is activated, we will have to change the language here from English India to English United States, because it is currently available in English United States. So we will change it to that, and after that you will notice that it is still saying Apple Intelligence is not available, and that's because this Mac has language and region set as English India. So in order to change that, we will go to General, and after that we will scroll a bit, and you will notice here is language and region. So we will click on it and we will be in the language and region setting on Mac. Now here under region, it is India currently set. So we will click on it, and after that we will select Americas from here and choose any of the region. Let's select this one, and after that the region on this Mac has been changed, but we still need to change our preferred language, and currently it is English. So we will click on plus icon and add another language here. We will add English US here and then click on add to confirm, and after that we will click on use English US again to confirm it. And further we will need to restart our computer, or we can restart later, and click on this one, and let's see whether we have got Apple Intelligence and Siri on this Mac or not. So once we click on Apple Intelligence and Siri, you will notice that now it says here it is set to English US, but still Apple Intelligence is not available, and that's because we haven't restarted our Mac. So we will restart our Mac, and after that we will get the Apple Intelligence and Siri available on this Mac. So I just restarted my Mac, and after that if I go to system settings here, then under Apple Intelligence and Siri, you will notice that it is preparing. That means Apple Intelligence is being prepared on this Mac, and I'll be able to use Apple Intelligence on my Mac now. So I'll have to wait for a few moments, and after that it will be ready and I'll be able to join the Apple Intelligence and Siri waitlist. And once that is joined, I'll be able to use Apple Intelligence and Siri on this Mac. So this is how you can fix Apple Intelligence is not available on this Mac and turn on Apple Intelligence and Siri on Mac. And by the way, if you want to learn how to disable Apple Intelligence and Siri on Mac, make sure to tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.